So welcome back students. So today I will start the digestive system chapter number 4. So in case of digestive system, this system is built up of some of the part that is very basics for any kind of human beings, and that makes the system called the digestive system. So in case of digestive system, food digestion is the most important thing. Whenever you have take any kind of food, that food having some food value, and this food value is called the nutrients. So the thing is, what are the food values, and that is actually called the nutrients. So those food values are like carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins and the minerals. That means a nutrient is a substance of food that basically provides the nourishment of the body for the growth and the maintenance. So that means whatever the amount of food we have daily basis taking, and that particular food having some food value, and this basically gives the nourishment, or you can simply say that this food giving supply some energies, supply some other things that usually important for human being for their growth as well as their maintenance. In this whole process, some of the important processes are being involved, and those processes are called ingestions, digestions, absorptions, assimilations and egestions. So one by one I will come. The first point, that is ingestions. Ingestions means the process by which we have taking the food is called the ingestions, and after the ingestions process, the another process will come, that is called the digestions. Okay, so in case of digestions, the food will be break down, or you can say that the larger particles of the food is break down into the simpler substances. Why? Because if the substances is larger molecules, then it will not be absorbed. That means for the absorption process, digestion process is the most important thing, or you can say that digestion is the elementary process of the absorption process. In case of absorptions, our body absorbs the digested food, and case of assimilations, the absorbed food is basically used for our growth and the other purposes, or you can say that and the maintenance purpose of our body, like growth and other nutrients. The fifth point, that is called the egestions. Egestions process is involved in the last step. Whenever the amount of the food is digested or absorbed and assimilate, and after that the remaining food will be ejaculate, or you can say that egestions process will be happened. In case of egestions process, the remaining food material, which are undigested food, which is removed from the body by the urines and other excretions organs like anus. So this is the whole process of the digestions, and this whole process of digestions are being involved in case of digestive system. When you design a digestive system, so that time some of the chemical things will be all the time is required, and that chemical thing is called the enzyme. Sometimes this is the substance basically enhance the digestion process, and after that it will be recovered. That's why sometimes it is called the catalyst also. So that means it nature is acting as a catalyst. So talking about the digestive system, the digestive systems are basically hold in a particular point, and that particular point is called alimentary canal. So alimentary canal, basically it starts from the mouth and it goes to the anus, and whole of these things are called the alimentary canal. In this particular alimentary canal, some of the associated organ is being required, and that makes is a complete digestive system. So that means what you have to learn from these things, in case of digestive system, why this digestive system is required for human body? Because first of all, the large food particles in break down into a simpler substance, and after that that particular absorbed food will be required for our growth and our body maintenance. In case of alimentary canal, they are being involved some of the important organs like mouth cavity, esophagus, or you can say that simply windpipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. So whole of this making the digestive system. Some of the associated things are being involved in the alimentary canals or some gland, and those are the salivary glands, liver, and the pancreas. So these are the major roles for the digestion process. In case of alimentary canal, the first thing, that is mouth or mouth cavity. Basically, the mouth or mouth cavity having tongue, teeth, and salivary gland. Whatever the food we have take by the mouth, first of all this food will be itself digest first from the mouth, and after that teeth is being involved for chewed, or you can say that the bitten process, and after that the chewed food get mixed with the saliva and secreted by the salivary glands, and after that the tongue basically helps in the mixing of the food with the saliva and is swallowing down the digestive system. Okay, so this video I have discussed about the mouth. So next video I have discussed the remaining part.